So you're starting to see the pattern develop here now that you're in Module 3, and you see that we have our marketing text, and you now see that we have our revenue chapters. Now, keep in mind that the way that it flows based on overall content of the course may not be the exact order of the book or the chapters. So pay close attention to that material. And you can start to see that we also pepper in some supplemental PowerPoints and materials that you want to review as well. So again, broken record developing here. Star report, star report, star reports. Probably starting in the next summary that I do for the modules, I'm going to stop saying it, because I think after 3 modules, you're getting the point of the importance of that report and how you need to keep up with it. So just, make sure that you're doing that. I think probably there should be a discussion post about it. And as I said before, there's always times that you can reach out to me and ask questions. So please do if you need to.